so-called ritual of Aarthi. Now what is this Aarthi? How many of us know about it? And I'm just sharing with you what I have learned a little bit, okay? So Aarthi is a process in our prayer. It is supposed to be a culminating step of any formal ritualistic process of prayer. So like you have havan you are doing, bhajan you are doing, or any function when you do, the closure of that ceremonial activity is Aarthi. Now what is this Aarthi? Aarthi is always related with fire. Okay? Aarthi is a closing ceremonial process which represents not only the culmination of prayers but culmination of our own journey of life. What is the purpose of a prayer? If you look at it from philosophical point of view, when we sing bhajan, we want to merge with God. When you do havan, you want to merge with your Supreme. So the culmination is actually expected. It is not that I will do 100 years of bhajan, then probably I will wake up. We are expected to be self-realized after every bhajan. That should be the ability of bhajan singing. That I heard the bhajan and I connected and gone. Here we are used to. Million years will pass, we still be singing bhajan. Because we have not understood the culmination of a bhajan is union with God. So when we formally finish the prayer, we are expected to culminate. And in the fire God, we take that hay fire, which is all pervading. Fire is one element where the physical, the structure, the shape is visible. In the creation element, first is space, no sight. Then comes air, you can't see it. From air comes fire. So in the creation, fire is the first element which becomes visible. So pratyaksha, srishti, creation, that visible creativity starts with fire. That is why for our marriages, for our pledging, we always use fire as a witness. So in the witness of fire, you perform your marriages. Ram made friendship with Sugriv in the presence of fire. Because fire represents the physical manifestation of creation. From fire onwards, visual starts. So that is why fire is used, and fire element is in everything. In our body also we have fire. In creation we have, everything has a fire element. That is the secret of it. So we use fire. And fire has an attribute. Whatever you put inside it, it will eat it up. It will leave no residue. Whatever you throw into fire, it will finish. So we do the prayer, the fire, ceremonial prayer, in which we actually summarize the whole life process. We invoke the God and say, thank you for allowing us to go through this journey. And now, like this fire is burning this camphor, let my life also burn for you like a camphor. And as the camphor disappears and leaves no residue, let my life leave no residue behind. Let me be clean of my vasanas and everything. So when I finish my Aarthi, there is a last line which says, Mangala Aarthi Anduko Mandira Giridhari. So, hey Giridhari who resides in my heart, I offer you myself. In the temple of my heart, I offer you myself. Accept me. Accept me like this fire is accepting this camphor. And let it disappear. And once that happens, what is left? Nothing. That nothing is the name of God. And that is why we start chanting Narayana, Narayana after that. So Aarthi is that ceremonial closure of the whole offering, in which not only the bhajan is culminating, we are praying that Lord, let me also culminate. Accept me and let me merge, become one with you. So that is the inner significance of Aarthi.